Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're back here again with another foundation Friday, and today we're gonna test this JACLYN Hill blurring tint. So if you want to see how this foundation works, how it perform, how it do, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Let me level with you. Let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free. Be with people like
Okay, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation. So today we're gonna talk about this, this shade. We'll see, but it is the JACLYN Hill Skin Perfecting Blurring Tint. Usually it's $34. Now they have a sale going on, so it's $17. Look at the shade range. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
My little Batty Bat pals here help us find the number of the day. 8!
I'm the fifth to the darker shade, I think, because I feel like the other shade which would have been tan deep, I think that would have been too dark for me, and light medium obviously is too light, so 10 was kind of, yeah. So the description, it says, get that comfy real skin perfection with JACLYN Hill's Skin Perfecting Blurring Tint. Double duty as a blurring primer and tinted moisturizer. So it's kind of like a hybrid kind of situation. This is not a foundation, but a sheer coverage wonder that delivers a natural finish that blurs texture and enhances the look of your skin. So let's see. So I might be a little bit worried about this, since they say it's not really a foundation, it's a skin tint. I don't like those, so we will see. So let's go ahead and pump her out. So it looks like this. Oh my god, this looks like. So coverage is not gonna be it. I can already say that, but with this I understand if it doesn't really have coverage like that, because it's not really a foundation, So if you buy something and it's not, it says, hey, from the get-go it's not really a foundation, don't expect, like full coverage from it. But it looks good. Look at this. It's like very dewy, I think. So this is like no makeup day thing. I can already tell you that, because look at this. This is like, actually I don't mind it. I feel like it looks better than the foundation or the powder foundations I have been trying lately, because those, I don't know. I feel like if I'm on vacation and I really just don't want any crazy foundation, and I didn't mean for that to rhyme, I feel like this will be just amazing. There's a little bit of a smell, nothing crazy. But I like this. This is nice. Is it giving you crazy coverage? No. Like, this is not. But again, it did not brand itself as a foundation. It specifically said it's not a foundation. It's a skin tint. And I know, my video is focusing on like Foundation Friday. But not everybody wants like a foundation, like a real full bit. Some people want skin tints, some people want CC creams, some people want BB creams, so we have to give the girls everything. I must feel like my sister would like this. because she does like a little foundation. I don't think she likes anything crazy. I don't think. But look at this, is definitely dewy though. I like this, which is very, very, very surprising, guys. Like, I can tell you that because I don't know. Some days full bit, today maybe not. And then we're using our one size. See how this looks nice and smooth. This, like, I know I'm like, oh my god, this looks good, but the true test is gonna be how it will wear, you know. But at the same time, I'm like, I know I'm gonna have somebody that's gonna be watching and they're gonna be like, well, you know, this is not full bit. I know, like, I know that foundation is not like a full coverage crazy, you know, but sometimes people want that. That's not necessarily me, but options, and everything, it seems to be laying really, really nice on there. So yep, I love that. Okay, so this is how everything is looking. I actually really, really like how everything lay, you know, like, yeah, I like it. Like, I like it. We'll see though how it lasts, how it perform, how it do the, you know, the do. So as usual, I'll give you my 2 check-ins, and at the end of the night I will give you my final thoughts on how this foundation works, how it perform, how it do its thing. So you know what, see you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm doing my first check-in. I know usually I do my first check-in before I started eating, but today, table to toe, I'm already eating, you know, hungry. So yeah, oh my god, what do you guys think about this blonde wig? I don't really do, you know, blonde wigs, but this was kind of cute and short, so it's not anything crazy. Anyway, let's talk about the foundation. My face still looks pretty matte, I think. Everything still looks amazing. As I said earlier on my video, is that foundation giving me crazy coverage? Maybe not, but a good, nice everyday foundation, I think it's perfect for now. Again, I'll keep on, you know, doing my thing, and then yeah, at the end of the night I will one more video, and then at the end of the night I'll give my, you know, the regular or the tea, if I like it or not. So see you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm doing my, I guess, final check-in and see how everything is looking. So right here it looks a little bit patchy, but I don't know, I was kind of rubbing. Let's ignore the, you know, lips, eating again, you know, the usual. So yeah, I don't know what's happening here. I think it's my highlighter, but I don't know. I don't like all the separations that's happening, but my nose is real greasy. But I guess we're just gonna keep, you know, wearing this for a couple more hours, and then at the end of the night I'll give you my final thoughts on this foundation. See you guys later.
Free from the to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a
Hi guys, we're back and time to talk about this foundation. So yeah, I don't know. So the foundation is actually not like a foundation, it's a tint. So for a tint, I don't think it's too bad. I think it's, you know, decent. And if you can get it for $17, that's even better because they have a 50% off going on right now. So I would, if it's something you want to try, now would be the time, you know, to do that. Does my face look terrible? No, not really. It's just I have a little bit of separation here and kind of around my lip, but I don't know. I ate as usual. I'm always eating, and maybe I kind of, you know, rub it off. I was out all day, so maybe too I maybe rub my nose, but I think I wear this foundation for maybe 6 hours again as a skin tint. I think that's pretty good. That is pretty good. So yeah, for $35, maybe not. If you can get it for the $17, yeah, try it. So that's it guys for this video. You know, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.